Hi everyone, welcome to our page, and this will be our daily diary vlog or updates for preparation for our Back in the Zone concert and also our preparation for our upcoming new EP Pagsibol. So before we start our rehearsal, I need to change my outfit for my rehearsal attire. So just stay there and watch our rehearsal. Bye guys, see you later. Hey! So nakapag-practice na kami ng mga ilang runs para sa mana. Yung salamat, hindi pa namin nare-review kasi mas inuna namin yung mana kasi mas bago yung steps namin doon sa mana, and inaaral lang namin siya through week. Pakita mo nga ng steps ng mana. Yan, pakita mo yung point dance. Galing oh. Mamaya re-reviewin namin yung salamat, SLMT. So yeah, thank you so much guys.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love.